Hi kids, welcome to Kids World. Today I have an interesting vlog for you. Come, let's go into the video. Children, this is our paddy cultivating farm. This season is our harvesting season. Generally, we sow seeds in April or May and we grow up the plant crops through irrigating the farm and remove the pests and worms present in the crops. It gives its yield by August or September. So, this is the period when we get yield generally. So, this season is the golden season of our paddy farmers. See, this is the harvesting machine, harvester, how it's harvesting. Look at it. The modern combined harvester is a versatile machine designed to harvest a variety of grain crops. The name derives from its combining four separate harvesting operations. The four operations are reaping, threshing, gathering, and winnowing into a single process. Children, do you know what is reaping? Reaping is nothing but cutting and collecting a crop. It's called reaping. What is threshing? It is the process of loosening the edible part of the grain from the straw to which it is attached. It is the next step after reaping. Gathering is by cutting, by picking or plucking, we can gather the crop. That is gathering. Winnowing is a farming method developed by ancient people for separating grain from the chaff. It involves throwing the mixture into the air so that the wind blows away the lighter chaff and the heavier grains fall back down for recovery. This is called winnowing. It can also be used to remove pests from the stored grains. This is our tractor and dipper which is collecting the grains from the harvester machine. Just watch it how the dipper collects the paddy from harvester. The machine is getting ready to throw away all the collected paddies into the dipper. See how it falls. It falls like a waterfalls. What a wonderful invention of a man. Children, this video is to make you enjoy the harvesting site along with me. Very pleasant to look at the site. The collected paddy in the dipper is now going out for sale. After evacuating the paddy from the harvester, this machine again starts to go for cutting the crops. While cutting, this machine collects only the paddy and throws away the dust particles and unwanted particles present along with it. Children, if you like these sort of vlogs, you can comment on it. I'll try to give vlogs like this. Children, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, tell your parents to subscribe this channel Kids World and share this video. Next time I'll come along with some other video. Thank you so much.